What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. And this is the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and that Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right. Got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero, you're ready to be a family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen. Because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get them notifications, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win. All right. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make $30,000. You could pull $5,000 to $10,000 a month clipping on TikTok. Yes, you can get the bag clipping on TikTok. And a lot of people don't know what clipping is. A lot of people don't know how to get the bag. And that's what this channel is for. If you don't got the information, the knowledge, or the resources to get some money, how you gonna make it? So that's what I'm here for. To help you, give you the knowledge, give you the information and the resources to give you different ways for anybody to potentially make revenue for themselves in passive income. And by me giving different ideas, you never know who's going to watch these videos. And it might come across somebody's path and they might see the title and it might be something that they always wanted to do. So I'm here to help everybody, anybody with anything and everything that they want to do. All right. So with that being said, let's get into these gems that can help you win. All right. So when it comes to clipping, a lot of people probably see it and don't know what they're looking at and don't know that's clipping. So clipping is basically when people clip make clips out of people's videos. So let's say I got a live stream and I'm gonna clip the clipper is gonna clip certain segments or certain parts of that live stream to sell some type of impression, not impression, but some type of perception. So if you go on TikTok, you're gonna see a lot of different clips. You're gonna see clips all day, every day. It's like shorts. And basically you just post them all day. So what you want to do is you want to go on TikTok and you want to create you a clever clipper name for your clip channel. Something clips, right? Once you got your channel, what you're going to do is you're going to find the most popular clips, the most entertaining clips. You might even go make your own clips. So you might want to go on Instagram and download some clips, find some clips and download them. You might want to go on YouTube and find some clips to make on your own. However, that you got to get your own clips and get the clips together. So now that you got clips, now don't get one clip at a time and do it like that. What I suggest you doing is getting at least 20 clips at one time before you start posting any clips. Because you want to be able to post back to 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 back. Because by you posting back to back to back to back to back, you're going to end up cracking the algorithm. And your video is going to start being seen by many people. Now, when you post these clips, you want to give it some type of cool, some click, not even clickbait, but you want to make the title interesting that's going to make somebody want to watch the clip and watch the video. So wherever you guys say that's real clever on the title, make the title clever. Now, the secret hack to getting your video seen is posting videos back to back to back and also hashtag them. Because when you hashtag videos, those videos will pop up in those categories and it has the potential of many people seeing it. And if you post the right content and make the right cover, and we'll talk about that next, it'll get seen. So you want to hashtag it. So the most common hashtags that people use today is new. So hashtag new, hashtag trending, hashtag FYP, hashtag for you page, hashtag viral, those type of hashtags. And depending on what type of video or clips that you're posting, you want to post that too. So if it's something funny, hashtag motivation, hashtag whatever that pertains to your video, because now that video is going to pop up with those categories where multiple people are going to see that video and potentially like it if it pertains to that category well enough. So you got those videos in a credit category or motivation category, you showing money and motivating people. A lot of people are going to get motivated by that. A lot of people are going to like that video. A lot of people are going to share that video. You clipping DDG videos, you clipping Kai Sinet videos, you clipping major streamers videos. A lot of people are going to like that if you clip the right parts. So if you're clipping videos, because we got to think about it, and I'm going to make another video on this. Either you're going to be a worker or you're going to be a boss in this lifetime. And workers do the bare minimum, and workers do the most to get the most. Point blank, period. And those are hard workers because you got to put in way more work to be a boss than to be a worker. It's easy to be a worker, but to be a boss, you got to make sacrifices. You got to put in work. You got to put in time. You got to put in the grind, hustle to make it happen. A lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people want to become self-made millionaires and entrepreneurs, but they don't understand what comes with that. How you have to build your way up to that position. So some people in this world are meant to only be workers because at the end of the day, we need workers. Everybody can't be a boss. So clipping, making multiple pages. So make one page called Clipaholics. Make the next page called Clip a Lot. Make the next page called Clip Wars. You just make multiple pages clipping because multiple channels will provide you or give you the opportunity to make multiple streams of income. And if you're clipping all day, hashtagging the right hashtags all day, making the right cover, because you know covers matter. If the cover is something that looks interesting, people gonna click on it. With the right title, they gonna click on it. I'm just gonna give you a view, and if it's a good video, they gonna like it and they gonna share it. So you gotta learn how to crack the algorithm. A lot of people don't understand content curation. A lot of people out there post videos with no hashtags and post and like, why am I not getting views? Why am this not happening? Why that not happening? Because you're not posting the right way. You gotta post in the right categories. You gotta post hashtags. You gotta post the right title. You gotta post it. Make sure the cover right. Everything has to be intriguing to the eye because once it's intriguing to the eye, they're gonna click on it, like it, and then so many people, it's intriguing. So many people catching so many people's eye. That's how you get the views, and views equals money. So clipping is a very powerful tool, and it also helps you get subscribers. A lot of people who do content creation, make YouTube videos, TikTok videos, or whatever, they see that you get more views easier and faster when you post a lot of shorts, vice versa, posting videos, because the brain has a very short attention span. And shorts are from a minute or 15 seconds to a minute. And if somebody only watching the video for a minute, they cool. Now they on to the next. So people get more views and more interest off likes than actual videos. You gotta go viral on a video on YouTube or somewhere to get actual subscribers to watch more of your videos. So it's an all understanding the algorithm game. It's understanding how to post, what to post, and when to post. You got different times and different algorithms. Different times of the day, different people, you get more views. So learning your algorithm on your channel, on your clip pages, whatever time of the day that you get the most views, you want to post in those time periods because you're going to get the most views. So you're looking to get maximize the most opportunity out of you clipping. Clip all day, every day. Create an algorithm for your channel that will allow you to see when you're the most hottest and when you get the most views, working off that. So now you're posting only around that time. Now you're getting a lot of views. Now you're getting more subscribers and more followers. And you keep posting all day, it's going to continue to grow, continue to build. And I guarantee you, you're going to get a clip that goes viral. Meaning that it might get 100,000, 200, maybe 500,000, quarter million, a million views. And that's going to allow you to get a lot of subscribers, a lot of fan followers. And let's say you're selling some type of product or some type of service. That's going to allow you to for people to want to come check you out, see what you're doing, even get business off that. So understanding that you can make money off social media, it's just learning and knowing where and how to make the money and where to go to make the money. You go on YouTube, you can do the same thing. You get paid more off videos. Like we're gonna make a video on that too next. And I'm gonna make a video on What's more beneficial, being a worker or a boss? You want to be a worker in this world, or you want to be a boss in this world? It's all up to you. But this video, we're gonna talk about clipping on TikTok because you can make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 each month off TikTok just clipping. If you got multiple channels, you do the math on that. So let's just say you're making $5,000 a month off each channel. You got 5 channels. That's 5, 10, 15. That's $25,000 a month that you're making. That's over $250,000 a year that you'll be making just off posting clips on multiple channels on TikTok. So that'll help you create a new path for you, create generational wealth, financial freedom, passive income. All you doing is clipping all day in your phone. Now people want to be like, bro, how you making money? What you doing? What you got going on? Now you teaching them. Now you try. It's a monopoly. It's a revolving door. All right. So make sure you guys are really checking out clipping on TikTok. A lot of people want things that happen overnight. It can happen overnight. You never know if a video go viral overnight, but it don't matter if the video go viral overnight. You still gotta keep clipping. You want to get the most views as you can each month. You want to get the most as possible for everything. So clipping can change your life. Social media can change your life. Just understanding it, knowing what to post, how to post, and where to post, posting the right things. And I promise you, you will start a new lane for passive income for yourself. All right, so TikTok clipping 5 to 10K a month, 10K a month, 30,000 real fast by posting clipping on a regular basis all day, every day. It'll change your life. You ain't doing nothing anyways. You in social media scrolling up and down, looking at other people making money. So just make your own money. It's easy, right? So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there because without y'all, there'd be no me. You motivate me to keep going. You motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. And you motivate me to keep entertaining. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 in the gyms are $1,000. But for limited time only, I'm doing it for 500. Yes, 500. Cash App and Bitcoin payment. What's the Cash App and Bitcoin payment is on your balance? Send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready. And we will go from there. All right, no screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions. And please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all book y'all seat on the crypto tour in person with me at gyms, $3,500, $500 deposit the rest of the money when we meet in person. Make sure y'all book your seat on the month-long mentorship, 2,500, 30 days. Anything you need help with, want to talk about, let's get to work. Make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App, me and their network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, women, gaming streamers, and content creators. Any cameraman or women in Houston, Texas, or North Wisconsin, hit me up on my IG. Let's push out this content and run up a bag. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell on my YouTube channels, my Twitch. Make sure you follow me on my new IG, King Hussle X11.2, for more free sauce, free methods, and information that's going to turn you into a boss. And make sure y'all check it out the crypto world because it's changing people's lives. And with that being said, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down any videos. I'll see you at the next lesson video or live. Peace.